So for today we'll be discussing Winget. So Winget is called also for Windows Package Manager. So what is Winget? Winget is a command line tool to discover, install, upgrade, remove, and configure software on your Windows 10 or 11 machines. So Winget is actually developed by Microsoft. So to check whether Winget is installed on your computer, you simply have to type the command winget version. Okay, if this shows up, it means to say that Winget is already installed on your computer. Otherwise, you can go to Store and Microsoft Store and install this application, App Installer. So you just have to click on this and install it on your device. Okay. So how do you make use of Winget? So basically, you have to type the command winget. First one is search. So let's say, for example, you're looking for a software. For example, Firefox. Okay, so we have a lot of options here. So we just have to select one installer. So this one. So take note of the ID. You can press Ctrl C to copy. Okay. Then to install this, you simply have to type winget install -e followed by the ID that you just have copied. Then press enter and wait for the installer to finish installing your new application. Okay, so as you can see, it says here successfully installed. So if you try to check on Firefox, so we already have Firefox installed on your computer. Okay. On the other hand, we can also use the same command. So kung kanina install, we can use the command uninstall to remove software or to remove Firefox on our device. So as you can see, we have already uninstalled another application. Okay, to check what are the apps installed on your device, just click on the command winget list. So these are all the software installed on my device. So again, you have just to take a look at the ID if you want to install or uninstall something in using Winget. Okay, so that's it for today. So you'll have an activity online. You have to submit it before 12 a.m. today.